Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? How are you? I hope you're good. And guess what? It is day 13 of Since Your Birthday. It's my birthday too. With Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter. So, let's see what day 13 brings me. Round. Ooh, we got some truck ribbon. That's cute. Hey, I can put that away and use it next Christmas, or leave it up. I'll probably leave it out because it doesn't have a Christmas tree in the back. See, it's just that the truck. Oh, you guys can't see. There you go. That is cool ribbon. Oh, it's even a Dollar Tree product. See, but my Dollar Tree sucks at times because I didn't see this one either. That's a cool ribbon. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I will be putting that over in my ribbon. So, not too many days left, and the gift exchange is done. Let's see, we have day 14, 15, 16, and then the grand Sabrina's birthday, the 17th. So, this has been fun opening these little gifts so far. And she reminds me of my mom. Well, because my mom would give me socks for Christmas that would have pumpkins on it, or jack-o'-lanterns, or witch. And then Valentine's Day, I'd get Christmas socks. And then Easter basket would have Valentine's Day. It was always the holiday after the fact. Because she's like, I save money. Because I always had a thing for socks that have something on them. So it's funny getting Christmas during my March birthday. So it's bringing wonderful thoughts to my head. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And thank you, Sabrina, again. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, and crafty. I really screwed that up this morning. Well, be crafty anyways. But bye for now.